Sabi niya, 麻烦您
系统正在录制这场通话。
请他回来以后，请他siya回来以后, pagbalik niya ng office, 回来 is pagbalik. 回来以后, pagbalik niya ng office, ano gagawin niya? O, 回来以后, after, 以后 is after niya bumalik, 给我打电话. 给我 is bigyan ako ng phone call, return a call, okay? 给 is give, okay? 给我 is give me a call, okay? 请问您的手机号码是? So, tinanong ng teller, yung kasamahan ni Lynn Xiaojie, ano pong telephone number mo? So, cellphone number. 手机 is cellphone. 号码 is number. Okay. 我的手机号码, my cell phone number is, this is 517-3604259. Okay? This is 517-3604259. Okay, wait. 9. Okay. 517-3604259. Okay. 517-3604259. 好的 Gloria. 谢谢您，不客气，再见。Okay. Okay, wait. May papasok ulit. Wait ah. Sorry. Okay. Let's go on. Okay? So, ulitin natin ha from the start kasi may question. Okay? 喂，台一银行您好。喂，您好，请问林美美小姐在吗？Nandiyan ba si Lin Maymay? Lin Maymay現在不在。Si Lin Maymay ngayon wala dito. Wala sa office, 辦公室。wala sa office, 辦公室沒有 wala sa office. 請問您是哪一位？Sino po sila? Oh, ako po, 我是北電公司。Ako po ay from 北電 Company. Also, North Electricity Company. Ang pangalan ko ay Gloria. 請問林小姐什麼時候回來？Pwede maaari magtanong, si Miss Lin, kailan po ang balik niya? Sa masyo is kailan siya babalik? Wailay. Gloria, sabi niya, Gloria, si Miss Lin, hapon na siya babalik. Siya wailay. Siya is afternoon na wailay. Afternoon niya siya babalik. Okay. So, sabi ni Gloria, 麻烦您, pwede pong makisuyo sa'yo? 请他回来以后, pagbalik, pakisabi kayo sa kanya, sino siya? Diba si Lin Xiaojie na pagbalik niya, tawagan ako, 给我打电话, please call me. So, sabi ni nung teller na kay office work ni Lin Xiaojie, 请问您的手机号码是 ano po ang cellphone number niyo? Or, okay? Ano pong cellphone number? Okay? My cellphone number is 517-360425254. Okay? 我的手机号码是517-3604259。好的 Gloria. 谢谢您. Salamat po sa'yo. Oh, 不客氣, walang anuman. Okay, bye-bye. 再見. Okay. Now, alam na nating storya. Okay, let's go to the question. Okay, number 1. Kung meron yung mga nakabili na ng workbook or yung book, ang book, this is lesson 7. Okay, doon sa workbook, ito, nakasuot na. Workbook, page 43. Okay, pakibukas ang workbook nyo. Okay, number 1. Ito, hindi nyo mabasa to. Yan, nilagyan ko na siya ng 2 in. Okay, ng pin in nandito. Okay, sabi niya, Lin Xiaojie, 现在在办公室。Sabi niya, si Lin Xiaojie, 现在在办公室. Ito, yes or no? Tama ba? Mali. Nasa
Wrong. 不错
Yes.
不错
putso,
Yes. Yes. Not
not.
tapusay. Tapusay.
在旁同
对 okay.
不在，
对，林小姐不在. So let's see ha. Tama, wala siya. Okay, nasaan siya? Nasa labas. Okay, number 2. Number 2, wait. Sabi niya, Lin 小姐下午回来. Lin 小姐下午回来. Yes or no?
对，
Say yes.
Very good. Yes. Oo, hapon na siya babalik. Okay, number 3. Mamaya na ka. Number 3. Lin 小姐请 Gloria 回来以后给我打电话. Tama? Yes or no?
Tuy. Tuy.
对
Yes.
对，
对
no，
不对老
Yes
师
or no? Sige. Meron nagsabing yes, na meron nagsabing, oh, you know. Bakit no?
oh，
because it's Gloria who asked them
Putoy.
tell Miss
Yes,
Lin to
very
make a phone
good.
number.
Very good. Ganyan ang ano.
Gloria.
No.
Yes.
Comprehensive.
Yes. Ganyan din nasa listening. Pag meron daw mag-exam dito.
Dahil si Gloria po ang tumatawag gumahanap kay Miss Lynn.
Yes, very good. So, hindi si Lin Xiaojie ang nagpapatawag kay Gloria. So, itong dalawa, baliktad. Okay? Itong dalawa. So, dapat, Gloria Ching Lin Xiaojie 回来以后给他打电话. Right? Okay, yung dalawa magkabaliktad. Okay, number 4. Gloria 在北电公司工作. Yes or no?
对是
yes，
是 Yes, very good. Number 5.
对
林美美在银行工作. Yes or no?
yes，
Yes, very
Yes.
good. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, sandali
Tuy,
ha. May
tuy, tuy.
papasok.
Sure.
Yeah. Sure. Okay, wait. May papasok. Papasukin muna natin.
Yes.
Papasukin natin yung papasok. Kasi hindi ako pwedeng mag-on, hindi pa ano. Okay, yan ha. Okay, alam na natin. Okay, number 1 ulit. Lin Xiaojie 在办公室. Hindi. Kasi ang mali dito.不在. Okay, dito meron isang pu. 不在, wala siya. She's not in the office. Number 3, hindi si Lin Xiaojie nagpapatawag kay Gloria, kundi si Gloria ang
Putsay.
nagpapatawag.
Taputsay.
对，他不在. Okay, next page. Ito, nasaan ang tone? Ba't wait. Pasok na naman. Function. Wait ha. Wait, may papasok. Nasaan na? Nawawala. Okay. Anyway. Okay, ulit. Okay, next page. Pag meron kayong, ay nako, may papasok. Wait. Pag meron kayong hawak na pen and paper, paki-ready kasi next is listening skill, okay? So you have to write first tone, second tone, third tone, okay? Ang first tone is flat, once. Ang second tone, yung check pag ganyan. Ang third tone, yung check talaga yung up, down. Pang fourth tone is pa down, okay? Okay, let's go. Okay, ulit natin. Ang first tone, wait. Dito ko muna susunod kasi pag nilipat ko doon, wait ha. Okay, ang first tone is, ang first tone is ganyan, okay? Ang second tone is ganon. Ang third tone, check. Ang fourth tone, ganon, okay? So, okay, let's ready. Hawak na ba kayo ng ballpen? Wait. Okay. Number 30 seconds. Okay. Start na tayo.
Part 3. Recognizing the character or word. 1. Listen to the recording and circle the character you hear.
Hindi yata to.
1. 0 6 3
Sorry, hindi yata to. Wait. Sandali ha. Buksan ko muna yun. Listening skill. Wait ha. Sorry. Nasaan na? Ba't hindi ko nalagay? Wait ha. Inta. Okay. Second. Tone differentiation. Okay.
Workbook. 作业本 Lesson 7.
Okay.
第7课
Saan ballpen? Wala akong ballpen.
Part 2. Tone differentiation. 1. Mark the tone. Listen to the recording and place the correct tone marks over the pinyin. 1 0 2 3 4 5 6 5 7 6 P 9 10 9 2. Tone discrimination. Listen to the recording and circle the syllable you hear. 1 Ah 2 Wait 3 Li 4 Go 5
Okay. Nag-gets nyo ba?
老师可以再一次吗？不好
可以。
意思。
等一下。May papasok ka sandali. Wait lang ha. May papasok. Papasukin ko muna. Asan na? Okay. Nawala. Ayan na. Ay. Okay. Okay na ha. Ready na lahat. Okay. Start ha ulit.
Workbook. 作业本 Lesson 7. 第7课 Part 2. Tone differentiation. 1. Mark the tone. Listen to the recording and place the correct tone marks over the pinyin. 1 0 2 1 3 2 4 3 5 4 6 5 7 6 8 P 9 10 9
Okay. Sagutin na natin o diretso hanggang tone discrimination number 2?
Diretso na po.
Diretso na po naman para.
Diretso na po, ma'am.
Okay, sige, diretso. Okay.
Discrimination. Listen to the recording and circle the syllable you hear. 1 Na 2 Wei 3 Li 4 Zhou 5 Zhou.
Okay, sige. Start natin. So, number 1, mark the tone, listen to the recording, and place the correct tone. Okay, yun, Ling. Ano siya? Anong tone?
Second.
First song.
Second tone.
First song.
Third tone.
Second.
Third tone.
Second tone.
Second. May second, third. Tingnan natin, ha?
Ay,
作业本7第7课
nakating sila.
Second tone.
你的说是一起好不好？点点，就会点点。我懂了就好。再给我一点，再来一点。
作业本 Lesson 7第7课 Part 2 Tone Differentiation 1. Mark the tone. Listen to the recording and place the correct tone marks over the pinyin. 1 Ling
Okay, Ling. Ano siya? Second tone, first tone, third tone, fourth tone?
Second tone.
Ling.
Tone.
Third
Second tone.
tone. Yes, second tone. Okay, next. E. First, second, third, fourth.
First tone.
Yes, first tone.
First tone.
Okay, next.
Fourth tone. Ah, fourth tone. Fourth tone. No, fourth tone.
First tone.
Fourth tone.
Fourth tone.
Fourth tone.
Fourth tone, yes.
Fourth tone.
Yes. Next. Okay, sound.
First tone. First tone.
First tone. First tone.
Yes, next.
First
Shi.
Fourth.
tone.
Tone, yes.
Down tone.
Next.
Fourth tone. Fourth tone, down
Fourth
tone.
tone. Shi. Sabi niya, shi. Okay, next. Wu. Si.
Third tone.
Third tone.
Third tone.
7
Third tone.
Sabi niya, u. Third tone, yes.
Third.
Ha? 老师啊，他们给我写网络上写写
Fourth tone.
Liu.
Fourth tone.
First song.
Fourth tone.
读书啊，
Third
Third
tone.
tone.
No.
Third tone.
Fourth
Tone, yes.
Tone.
A. T.
First tone.
First tone, yes.
Third tone.
Number 8.
First tone.
没有，所以这边而已，更好，对不对？
Sandali, yung mga nagkikipag-usap sa lola, pakisarado. Nako, maingay. Sorry.
Open ba? Sorry.
Second tone.
Okay ba?
First tone.
Second tone.
First tone.
First tone.
First tone.
Next,
First tone.
Ken.
First tone.
Joe.
Third tone.
Third
Joe.
Okay,
Kaya nga
next.
po.
2. Tone discrimination. Listen to the recording and circle the
First
syllable.
tone.
No, left or right?
Left.
Left.
Now.
Left.
Alright, yes, left. Very good.
Third
Next.
tone.
Third
Left.
tone.
Yes, na. Okay, next. Number 2.
2.
Left.
Left.
Way.
Left.
Way.
Way.
Way
Left.
is
Left.
left. Right.
Way.
Okay, next. Number 3.
Left.
Lee.
Lee.
Right.
Left.
Lee.
Right. Fourth tone. Left.
Right. Very good. Next.
Show. Third tone. Left.
Third tone.
Left.
4.
Fourth tone. Way.
Show.
5.
Show. Ano yung show? Ilan? Left or right?
Right.
So,
Tone.
Left.
Fourth.
third
Left.
tone. Third
Ho
tone.
is?
Third tone.
No. Ho.
First tone. Left.
Third.
No.
Third tone. Left tone.
Fourth tone.
Fourth tone. Yeah, fourth. Ho is third. Okay?
Left.
Okay, ulit natin ha.
Left.
Okay, number 1. Ito ulit. Ito, ling, i, san,
Ho.
si.
Fourth tone. Left tone. Fourth tone.
Yes.
Left.
U, liu,
Left. Fourth tone.
pa, jiu, na, ito,
Way.
Oh.
Way.
lo,
Lee.
ho. Sa next, okay pa? Okay, next page.
Ho.
Okay, next page na tayo. Okay, next. Oh, wait.
Part 3. Recognizing the character or word. 1. Listen to the recording and circle the character you hear. 1. 0 2 3 3 10 4 Way 5 2. Listen to the recording and circle the word you hear. 1. 回来 2. 手机 3. 再见 4. 以后 5. 前 3. Listen.
Okay, ulit ba natin?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ulit po, ma'am.
Okay, sige, ulit.
Part 3. Recognizing the character or word. 1. Listen to the recording and circle the character you hear. 1. 0 2 3 3 10 4 喂 2. Listen to the recording and circle the word you hear. 1. 回来 2. 手机 3. 再见 4. 3. Listen to the recording.
Okay? Sige, ano number 1? Lin? Left or right?
Right.
Left.
Right.
Oh, left.
Lin.
Left po.
Lin.
Lin? Left or right?
Left.
Right.
Left.
Right.
Left.
Left.
Right.
Right.
Oh,
Sabi niya, Lin. Kasi itong
Lin.
itong left is Lin.
Lin pala.
Ang Li, ito apelido
Kala
yan,
ko
Lin.
Lin. Lin pala.
Ang other is Lin. Okay? Number 2, sabi niya, San, alin dito, left or right?
Right.
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 Right. Tama, right. Anong sa kabila? Yes, very good. Number 3, ano sabi niya? Pa.
Sure.
Sure ba sabi niya?
Sure.
Sure ba?
Sure.
Ako na eh.
Recognizing the
Sure.
character.
Hi.
Listen to the recording. Ling.
Okay.
2.
Right.
San.
Right.
3.
San.
Oh yeah, shi. Oh yeah, very good. Shi. Number 4. Wei.
Left.
Left or right?
Left.
Left.
Right.
Left.
po.
Yes, very good. Wei. Ano nasa right?
Wait. Down tone.
Wei, pang fourth tone. Yes, wei. I-wei niyang wei. 1 person, 2 person. Wei. Okay, number 5.
Eh? May ting.
Ano number 5?
Hindi ko masyadong narinig.
Left.
Uda.
Okay, tingnan natin ha. Pakinggan.
Wei.
Left.
Ban. Left or right?
Diba?
Wait.
Left. Left 老师.
Yes, very good. Left. Ito, ban kong shi. Ban is office. Ano yung number? Ano sa right? How.
How? Number.
How ma is number. How ma. Okay.
Number.
Hindi po rinig yung number 5.
Hindi mo narinig? Okay, make it
Hindi
okay.
narinig.
Okay, next. Sa baba. Left or right? Tingnan na natin.
Right.
Right.
Right. Left.
Listen
Right.
to the recording.
Ano ba
Ray
ito?
line.
For the word
Ray
you
line.
hear.
Dali ah.
1.
Right.
Wei.
Right.
Relay. Which one? Left or right?
Number.
Right.
Yes, right. Ano yung number? Ano yung left?
下午.
Yes, very good. Xiao. Very good. Next.
Lai.
Right.
Left.
Left.
Go.
Wala.
Left.
Soji. Soji, left or right?
Left.
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 Right.
Left. Anong right?
Right.
电话.
Tenhua.
Yes,
Tenhua.
very good.
Tenhua.
Tenhua. Okay,
Tenhua.
next.
Dian.
3.
下午。
再见.
Number 3, 再见. Left or right?
Right. Right.
Right.
Anong left?
Right.
谢谢.
Yes.
Yes, very good.
Left.
Okay, number 4.
4.
以后.
Left.
Yeah,
Left.
iho.
Left.
Left or
Right.
right?
Right.
Right. Right.
Yes.
Right.
Right. Anong
Right.
left?
Right.
小姐.
Yes, 小姐. Ha? Hindi siya, hindi siya. Next. Number 5.
Hindi narinig,
Right.
ma'am. Hindi ko narinig. Ma'am. Hindi rin
Okay,
narinig.
Ma'am.
3.
Number 5, ma'am. Left or right?
Right.
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 Ma'am.
Yeah, right. Anong left?
好嘛.
How, ma'am?
How
How,
Yes,
ma'am?
very good. How, ma? Okay, very good.
小姐。
Okay, gusto niyong picturean? Picturean niyo na. Okay?
Sige.
Yung mga libro
Hindi
dyan,
narinig ma'am 5.
kasi yun, ito, wala yan. Yun, may libro pero wala siyang pin-in. Ako pa naglagay ng pin-in.
Mafan. Right.
Yes, Mafan is right. Very
Pauma.
good. Hama is right. Okay na? Next page na tayo. Okay na?
Okay na po.
Okay na.
Okay, next. Pakinggan na kung ano sabi, ha? 1 and 11 seconds.
Hirap.
Inusulatan na.
Okay, tingnan na kung ano ka left or right, ha? Makinig.
Part 3. Recognizing the character or word. 1. Listen to the recording and circle the character you hear. 1. 白衣银行，您好。2. 不客气，再见。3. 林小姐什么时候回来？ 4. 林小姐不在办公室。5. 请她给我打电话。
Okay, sandali lang ha. May papasok, kaya wait. Okay. Okay, okay na? Ulitin natin?
Paulit niya sa number 1, ma'am.
Okay, sige, ulit lang.
Oo.
在银行银行
Listen to the
见
recording
让
and circle the one that's here. 1. 白衣银行，您好。2. 不客气，再见。3. 林小姐什么时候回来？ 4. 林小姐不在办公室。5. 请她给我打电话。
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sige, number 1. Anong sagot? Left or right?
Left.
Left. Yes. Anong right?
北
办
公司你好。
Yes, very good. Okay, number 2.
Atin.
Anong sagot? Left or right?
Right.
right
Right.
好的。
好的 Jenny
Yes,谢谢你. Okay, ayan na. Answer ko na. Okay. Okay, number 3. Ano, left or right?
Right.
Right.
Right. Yes, very good.
林小姐
Okay, number 4.
Left.
left.
Back. Yes, very good. Okay, number 5.
Left.
Yes, very good. Okay, lang yung kung ano susulatin. Sige, picturean ulit para mabasa nyo. Yan na. 台一银行您好，北电公司您好。好，谢谢您，不客气，再见。3. 请问林小姐在吗？林小姐什么时候回来？林小姐不在公司。林小姐下午回来，请她给我打电话。您的手机是几号 ？Okay? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's answer this. Let's try. Meron tong, so hindi ko siya muna nilagay, okay? Okay, ano siya? A, B, C, D, B, C, D, A. Okay, number 1. Number 1 is Lin Xiaojie. A is Lin Xiaojie. B is Wei Lai. 3 is Qing Wen. 4 is 什么时候? So an answer.
请问 C
问什么时候？
请问
请问
CDAD
回来。
CABD CABD
CADB
CABD 中
请
文
问
林小姐什么时候回来？
Yes, very good. 请问 CABD tama. Yan, nilagay ko na. 请问林小姐什么时候回来? Okay? Okay, number 2. Paano ang sagot? Nin, na. 请问是哪位? My dear, sino nagkukas ng plato? Pakisarado ang mic mo.
Nagtanggal na nga po ako ng Hershey.
Sino pa naghugas ng plato? Pakisarado ang mic, ha? Sorry. Okay. Nin, na, 请问是哪位? Okay. Ano ang sagot?
CADB.
CADB.
Chingwon.
Chingwon. Ni
你是哪位？
C, ano?
你是哪位？
C,
Chingwon. CADB.
A
A, C,
Chingwon.
您是 So CADBE. Okay.
请问
您是哪位
你是哪位？
Yes, okay. Number 3. 现在，然后不，林小姐在办公室。Anong sagot?
林小姐
林小姐现在不在
办公室。
Yes, very good. 林小姐现在不在办公室。Or A muna 现在林小姐不在办公室。Pwede din, okay? Ngayon, or
Tama nga kami ni Marisa.
pwede din wala sa office, okay? Okay, number 4. 是，请问手机的号码是 So an answer is
请问你的手机
好吗？
手机号码？
请问你的
请问你的手机号码
对啊，请问你的手机号码几号？号码是
对，号码是 Yes, very good. Yung pala yung pangalawa. Okay, 现在李小姐 hindi ko na Okay, next. BFA, 请问您的手机号码是 Okay, number 5. 以后请给你我回来电话打 Anong answer?
请他
请他
请他回来
请到回来以后
Pakisarado mo ng mic. Basura.
给我打电
给
话。
我打电话。
请他回来以后打电话给我 Yes, very good.
Ma'am, is it the
回来以后Pakisarado mo na yung meron basura.
Okay, Shema, 回来以后
Okay, sabi ano sagot?
Because I wrote my answer here, ma'am.
Yeah. 请
回来以后请他给我打电话。
Yes, 也可以 Yes, pwede din. Pero 请他回来以后给我打电话 Okay? Okay, paki-picture pag gusto nyo. Okay? Next na tayo. Okay na?
Okay na po.
Okay, next. Sige, wala rin tong kutsuin. May palalagay ko ng pin-in ha. Okay, number 1. Sabi niya wei, tai in hang, ni hao. 2. 请问您是哪位 C. 请问林小姐什么时候回来 4. 请问您的手机是几号 5. 谢谢你 B. 林小姐下午回来 B. 我的手机几号 Dali lang.
360259。
林小姐下午回来 B. 我的手机号码是360459 C. 不客气，再见 B. 喂，您好，请问林美美在吗 Letter E. 我是北电公司的 Gloria. Okay, ano sagot ng number 1?
D.
Letter D.
D.
Okay, yes, D.
喂，
Good. 喂，pareho siya. Okay, number 2. 请问你是哪一位 So, anong sagot?
Letter D.
Letter E. Yes, very good. Yes, 我是北电公司的 Gloria. Number 3.
A.
请问林小姐什么时候回来
下午
Yes,
下午回来。
yes, very good. Number 4.
B.
Yes, very good. B. Okay, number 5.
C.
Yes.
Yes, goodbye, 再见.
Yes.
再
Okay.
见，再见.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay. Next.
Ni Mayo, sabihan na.
Okay. Ito na Taichung Inhang. Okay. Anong
Letter
Okay.
C, sagot ko dyan. Wala.
C.
C.
si ba?
Li Xiaojie.
Yes. Very good. Li Xiaojie 在办公室. Okay. Number 2.
B.
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 打电话。
Gloria 和王小姐.
Gloria 给李小姐打电
打
话。
电话。
Letter
B.
Yes, letter B. Okay? Kasi tignan natin ha, bakit ha? Okay, doon muna sa picture number 1. Ang picture niya, Taichung Inhang, so Taichung Bank. Ang letter A, ano nakasulat? Wait.
学校is
Yes, 学校. Anong 学校?
school.
School.
School. Okay. 李小姐在她家. Ano yung 在她家? Is
Sa
nasaan?
bahay.
Sa
Home,
bahay.
bahay.
So, hindi siya tama. Okay, number 2. Sabi niya, Gloria Han Wang Mingwen Ting Inye. Ano yung Ting Inye?
Listen to music.
Listening
Yes,
music.
listening to music. So, hindi siya, di ba? Number C. Lin Xiaojie Han Wang Mingwen 看电视. Tama ba? Ano yung 看电视?
Watch.
Watching television.
Yes, watch television. So, hindi. So, the answer is B. Very good. Okay, next. Wala. Nilagay ko na pala isang sali hindi pa siya hindi ko siya na wait ha. Okay. Hello? Okay, hello. This is Taiying Bank. How are you? So, paano siya i-translate?
喂，大姨你好，你好。
Yes, Taiying Inhang, Nin Hao. Very good. Okay, number 2. Miss Lee is not in the office. May I ask who is this?
李小姐，
李小姐
请问你是哪位？
Yes,
请问
李
你
小姐
是哪
不在。
位？
Yes, very good. 李小姐不在办公室，请问哪位 ？Number 3. Mrs. Gloria of 北电公司说 anong sagot?
我是
北电公司的 Gloria。
Yes, 我是北电公司的 Gloria. Okay, number 4. May I ask when Miss Lin will be back?
请问
请问李小姐什么时候回来？
Yes, very good. 请问林小姐什么时候回来 Okay, number 5. Miss Lin will be back in this afternoon. Back this afternoon.
林小姐
林小姐
下
下午
午回
回来。
Yes, 林小姐下午回来 Very good. Okay.
May pinyin ba yun? Wala.
Po?
May pinyin po yan,
Hindi ko
translation.
pa nagagawa pin. Gusto niyang pin-in. Sige, gagawin ko ha.
Thank you po.
No problem. Sige, picturean ko ha. Okay, ito. Next. Okay, ito. Nasa book to. Nasa book, hindi to workbook ha. Nasa book to. Book ha. Hindi ko alam ang page.
Page ano po, ma'am?
Page. Pakitingin.
Hindi po workbook.
Hindi, ito sa book to. Sa book to. Tingnan nyo sa book.
Page 101.
Okay, 101 daw, okay? Okay na? Sige, let's see. Okay?
Ano?
Meron, wala?
Ito yung may pink one.
May wang?
Pink color. Tamang
Okay na?
po.
Buksan mo yung camera mo. Patingin mo sa kanila kung nasaan na.
Ito.
Okay?
斜的嘛。
100.
Okay? Okay na?
Nasa 101 na po eh.
102.
Okay na? Okay, let's see. Okay, number 731. Okay. Okay.
102.
Oh.
102, nasa likod, Hazel.
Opo, 102 po.
102.
Dali ha.
Please
yeah.
mark the tone you hear.
Wang.
Strong.
Shuang.
Huh?
Yeah. One. Two. Three. Recognizing tones. Please circle the syllable you hear. One. Yeah. Huang. Wen. Two. Recognizing sounds. One. Recognizing initial sound. Please circle the syllable you hear. So. Ski. Two. Recognizing.
Okay. Okay? Ulitin natin ha.
Marisa, paki-mute, please.
Yeah. One. Two. Three. Recognizing tones. Please circle the syllable you hear. One. Yeah. Huang. Ye. Wen. Yang. Xie. Part 2. Recognizing sounds. 1. Recognizing initial sounds. Please circle the syllable you hear. Dong. Qi. Cai. Xie. Lu. Bian. Quan. Liang. 2. Recognizing final sound.
Okay.
Wen.
Wait. Okay, number 1. Oh, let me papapasok. Wait ha. Okay, number 1. 7. Okay.
Wen. Zhang.
Wait. Wang, anong ang sagot? First, second, fourth tone.
First tone.
Tone.
Anong sagot?
First tone.
Hmm?
Second tone.
2.
Second
Mark
tone.
the tone
Second
you hear.
Makinig ha, makinig. Ulit.
Second tone.
Wang, sabi niya Wang.
Second tone.
Wang is
Second.
Yes, second tone. Okay, number 2.
Second tone.
Shuang.
First tone.
No. Shuang.
First tone.
First tone.
First
Shuang.
tone.
Shuang.
Strong. Strong.
Yes, very good. Number 3.
Stronger. First tone.
Er. Wait,
Fourth tone.
wait.
Qian.
Okay, Okay, Qian. Third tone, okay? Qian is
Money.
Second.
Third tone.
Third tone. Third tone.
Please mark the tone you hear.
ulit ha. Kasi mahirap i-ano yung second swang. Ilan swang. Qian. Okay, next. Ye. First, second, fourth tone.
Fourth tone.
Fourth.
Fourth.
Fourth. Yes, very good. Next. Kun.
Third tone.
Kun.
Third tone.
Third, yes.
Third tone.
Next.
Kun.
Yes. Next.
Che.
Che. Che. Which one?
First tone.
Yes,
First tone.
very good. Che. Okay.
First tone.
Okay, let's see. May papasok. Wait. Okay, let's see. Okay, number 1 is Wang. Ano to? Apelido to ha, Wang. Itong Shuang, Shuang is double. Okay, Shuang is double. Okay?
Pair.
Pair.
Pair, yes, double pair. Okay. Itong itong
Two.
2. Ano yung kabila? Chen?
Money.
Money?
No.
No.
Ano siya? Hindi siya money.
Ano sa money?
Ayun yun, water yun, niya, radical niya eh.
Oh, may radical. Oh, yes, may water siya. So,
So, ano siya, Laos?
yeah, tinatanong ko sa inyo, ano siya?
Alam ko lang po money.
Ano siya? Chen shui is mababaw. Mababaw. Pag sinabi mo chen shui is mababaw siya. So, hollow or light.
Shallow.
Okay?
Shallow.
Okay, hollow. Okay, itong number 1, 2, 3. Itong kabila. Ye. Ano itong ye? Ano yung ye?
不知道。
Leaves lang.
Ye zi. Ano ye zi?
哦，是dahon.
Yes, very good.
Dahon.
Ye zi. Oo,
Ayun yung
dahon.
radical,
Yung may
yung
radical na
radical
tayo
na
sa taas.
ng halaman sa taas.
Yes. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, number 3. Kun. Ano yung kun? Sabi
Hindi
niya,
ko rin
kun.
alam, pero may water.
Sabihin sa'yo nung ng matanda mo, kun kai la. Ano yung kun kai?
Roll.
Roll down. So, umalis ka dito.
roll
Umalis. Roll. Umalis. Okay? Gumulong ka. Gumulong ka. Kun is yung roll. Roll. Alam mo yung roll, di ba?
Mm.
Kanya kun kai. So, umalis ka dito. Parang ganon. So, pag ginamit tong kun kai, hindi siya magandang, hindi siya
Hindi siya polite.
like word. Yes, hindi siya polite. Okay? Parang, alis ka nga dito. Parang ganon. Okay? Kun. Okay, itong che, ano che?
Maghiwa.
Iwa. Kasi meron siyang kutsilyo, di ba?
Yes.
Ma'am, pwede tanong?
Yes.
Papanood po ba to sa YouTube channel nyo?
Ilalagay ko siya.
Po ma'am, kasi kapapasok ko lang. Salamat.
Yeah, no problem. Yes, i-record ko na siya. Oh, ha? Ano ba to? Yeah. Ano ba to? Ay, nasa na ba tayo? Okay, che is hiwa. Meron siyang kutsilyo, di ba?
Radical ng knife.
Yes, radical lang knife. Very good. Yes, very good. Okay, next.
Hello, naririnig mo na ako?
Naririnig na kita. Okay, next. Next na ha, sa baba. 5, kun. Dito sa recognizing tone, please circle the syllable. Meron marami dito, may mga mali dito sa mga binigay niya, okay? Doon sa sounds, sa may mga mali, okay? Kaya pakinggan nyo, kung may mali, sabihin nyo sa akin, okay? Kasi na-found out ko may mali, okay? Okay, let's see. Okay. Sandali Tapos na to eh.
Please circle the syllable you hear.
Pakisarado ang mic.
Kun.
Kun. Sabi niya kun.
Pie.
Pie. Number 1, kun. Tama, mali. Itong dalawa, may mapipilian kayo dyan? Wala.
Wala. Third tone yun, ma'am eh.
Kasi ano siya? Kun is anong tone?
Third tone.
No. It's
Fourth.
fourth tone, yes. Nilagay ko siya kun kasi dalawa siya. Okay?
Ma'am, bakit sa book ko ay may fourth tone yung nasa kanan?
Oh? Ay,
Opo.
bakit ito
Fourth
sa
tone
akin
yung sa
hindi?
kanan eh.
Opo, fourth tone po yung nasa kanan.
Sa book, fourth tone.
Bakit nasa internet ito ang nakuha ko?
Yung
Baka
pong,
mali.
yung pong kaliwa niya ay third tone.
Third
So
and
iba
fourth.
pala tayo. So iba tayo, iba yung book ko. Sige, mali na ako. Sorry. Okay, number 2. Pie, saan dito? Left or right?
Alam ma'am, right namin yung second tone.
So iba din sa akin. Kasi ito, siguro na,
First tone.
kasi itong kinuha ko sa computer, sa internet to,
Opo.
book sa internet, baka nag-change na sila, okay?
Revision.
O
Revise na.
revise. So,
Revise.
sorry, okay? Okay, ito, PA is
First
first.
tone.
Okay, yes, very good. First tone. Okay, number 3,
Ang.
chuang is
Second
left or
tone.
right?
Left.
Second tone.
Chuang,
Second tone.
left or right muna?
Right.
Left.
Left?
Left. Chuang.
Chuang? No,
Chuang.
hindi.
Not
Chuang.
third.
Yes,
First,
chuang.
second.
Yes,
Second.
next.
Pares.
Third tone.
Ito sa akin,
Third tone.
third tone siya. So, which one? Mali din to. Ito, okay?
Left.
Sa book po ay
Nasa
left.
left.
Sa book sa left. Okay, sige. Sa book sa left. Sorry. Kasi sa akin dito. Okay, next. Wala, next time titignan ko rin ng book. Okay, next.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which one? Left or right?
Right.
Right. Yes.
Right.
Left sa book. Third.
Kami left.
Okay. Yeah.
Third tone.
Third tone. Yes, third tone to. Yeah. Okay, next. Next. Wait.
Sa book yung third tone din. Ay,
Yes, third tone. Yeah. 1. Left or right? 1.
Third.
1 is
Third
Left.
tone.
Left.
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 Yes. Very good. Next.
Yang.
Yang.
fourth tone.
Fourth tone.
Fourth tone. So, saan sa inyo dyan? Left or right?
Sa book
Right.
po right.
Yeah, sa right, ma'am. Sa right.
Okay, sa right. So, right, okay. Yang, okay? Dapat fourth tone. Sunod ko na dyan. Fourth tone, okay? Next.
Xie.
Xie. Sa inyo dyan, left or right?
Sa left.
Left.
Left po.
Left, okay. It is xie. Fourth tone, okay? Okay,
Right.
xie.
Right.
Right,
Right
right,
pala.
right, ma'am.
Fourth
Right,
tone.
ma'am.
Fourth
Sa
tone siya.
book.
Fourth tone, ha? Fourth tone.
Right
Okay.
po sa book.
Right sa book, okay? Sige. Next. Susunod na natin, ha?
Part 2. Recognizing sounds. 1. Recognizing initial sounds. Please circle the syllable you hear. Dong.
Chong. Which one? Left or right? Dito rin, sa akin dito mali din.
Left.
Chong is left or right?
Left.
Left po. Sa book po,
Left.
third tone left.
Yes, third tone. Yes, third tone. Okay, next. Third tone siya, ha? Chong. Ito yung president. Chong Tong. Ito yung Chong.
Chong
Chong
Tong,
Tong.
the president. Oh.
Yes, president. Okay, next.
Ti.
Chi. It's one. Left or right?
Zai.
Left.
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 Okay.
Tutu,
Isa.
chi,
Next is ano?
chi.
Chai.
Chai.
Left or right?
Left.
Right.
Left.
Right.
Left.
Chai.
Left.
Yes, left.
Chai.
Right.
Chai.
Chai. What?
Chai is
Chai.
right.
All right.
Chai. Yeah.
Right. Right na
Right
chai.
siya.
Chai.
Ano yung
Opo,
CAI?
Chai.
Chai. Chai. Chai. Chai.
Chai. Chai.
Chai is CAI. Okay, next. Wait.
She.
C. Okay, wait.
She.
Chai. Okay, right. Okay, next. Xie. Left or right? Left or right?
Left. Right.
Right. Xie.
Right.
Xie. Right. Yes,
Xie.
very good.
Right.
Okay, next.
Wait.
Xie is thank you. Okay, next. Na. Is left or right?
Right.
Na. Yes, very good.
Right.
Okay, next. Tien. Which one? Left or right?
Jen. Left.
Tien. Left.
Tien. Yes, very good. Next. Chen. Left or right?
Tien.
Left.
Left.
Chen. Yes, very good. Shampoo the Chen. Okay, next. Liang. Left or right?
Right.
Right. Yes, very good. Okay, wait. May papasok. Wala. Nawala. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, nakuha niyo ba? Ano mga words ang hindi niyo alam dito? Okay, sige, papuntahan natin ha. Itong Chong is Chong Tong, president, okay? Wait, this one, Chong is Chong Tong is president. Ito, Chita is other, Chi. Okay, itong Chai is gulay, Chai.
Eh? Chai. It's CA. CA right, ma'am.
Di mali ang ano ko, CAI, ito. CAI, Chai, okay? Next, Xie. Thank you, okay? Next, na. Yun, okay? Na, shi. Yun is, ganun. Ito, tien. Ano yun, tien? Yun, double, okay?
Tien.
Yes.
Wait, may
No.
papasok.
No.
Wait ha, may papasok. Saan na? Ha? Saan na? Okay, sorry, wala. Nawala na naman. Ulit na naman tayo. Okay, ano yung tien? Alam nyo?
Sa day po ba na tien? Oh.
Hindi, iba yung tien, itong tien, ano?
Peak.
Diba meron siyang ano, isang Chinese word na zhen, di ba? Kita nyo? Di ba sa tabi niya may zhen? Ito oh. Nakuha ko isang paper, isang pen. Sandali, pen.
Yung nasa unahan.
Ito oh, zhen is totoo. Tapos nilagay, ito, tien is upside down, okay? Or hindi siya masyado ano, ano ba to? Tien de. Alam mo yun? Di ba mga bata sasabihin ng matanda sa inyo, tien de. Parang kang ganyan ganoon.
Invert.
Hindi ka makapakali ganoon. Tien de. Yung ganoon. Or tien tao. Alam mo yun? Ba sasabihin niya tien tao? Alam mo yun? Tien tao? Baligtad.
Inverted.
Yes. Tien tao. Ito yung tien, okay?
Yung tien tao na natumba na ganun.
No. Yung tien tao is baligtad yung lagay mo. Ni tien tao, yung baligtad. Tien tao.
Inverted. Opposite.
Yeah, inverted, yes. Or tien to, yung mga nababaliw, yun, ganon. Okay, tien to. Okay? Yes? Okay, next. Chen, ano yung Chen?
House.
Chen is?
House.
Anong Chen? Overall, ebo, Chempu. Chen, Chempu. And Chen mouth. Chen, okay, Chen is all overall, okay?
Is it the one in Family Mart now? Is it Chenja?
Yes, 全家 is all everyone, 'di ba? 全家 is everyone. 全 is all. Okay?
One.
Yes. Next. 良 ano yung 良? 良好 ano yung 良好 is mabuti. Alam niyo, 良好 is okay, ganon. Or good, or fine. Okay, 良. Or excellent. 你很良好。你的脾性很良好 is your attitude is very good. Okay? Next na ba tayo? Okay na? Picture? Hindi na. Okay, next. Oh. Okay, record. Next. 8:50. Hindi, wait. Okay. Nasa 8:58. 8:58.
Two, recognizing final sounds. Please circle the syllable you hear.
燕、轮、念、接、长、按、阳、很。
Three, recognizing two-syllable words. Please circle the word you hear. 电话、学校、父母、四、晚上、五、放假、六、上午、七、结婚、九、时候、十、女儿、11、小姐、12、凡。
Okay, gusto pa ulit pakinggan o go to the answer?
Go to the answer.
Okay, go to the answer. Okay, number 1.
Go to the
Right.
Okay, let's see.
Circle the syllable you hear.
燕、
Yen, left or right?
Right.
Right.
Yes, very good.
Right.
Yes, number 2.
轮、
Lun, left or right? Left, very good. Next.
念、
Nian, left or right?
Left.
Left, very good. Next.
接、
Xie,
Left.
left.
good, very good. Mali ang nasa-circle. Sorry. Left siya, sorry. Next.
广、
Guang,
Right.
yes, very good. Next.
蛋、
Tan,
Right.
yes, very good. Tan,
强、
Chang,
Right.
yes,
Right.
right.
很、
Kun,
Right.
Right.
Two syllables.
okay, next. Sa baba naman, ha? Dalawang word. Number 1.
Right. Right. Yan.
Wow, which one?
Words.
Right.
Right.
Circle the word you hear.
Yeah. Huh?
Hua is?
Right.
Right.
Right, yes, very good. Next, number 2.
Left.
Pakita niyo sa baba ang sagot. Hua, okay. Number 2.
Left.
笑、
Yes, Xiao. Left or right?
Left.
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 Left. Yes, shall.
Number 3.
Left. Left. Left.
Left.
Left.
Fumu.
Left. Left.
Wanshang.
Left.
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 Very good. Fangxia is left. Sandali ha. Wanshang. Okay, next week. Fangxia. Okay, next.
Left.
Shangwu is
Left.
yes.
Left.
Very good. Okay, next. Okay, next. Jiehun.
Left.
Left.
Wala, may papasok. Sandali. Papasugin muna natin kasi matatapos. Wala naman. Okay. Okay, Jiehun, number 7. Okay, next.
Xiang.
Didinig yung number 8.
Shangwu, ha?
Yung number 8.
O ano siya?
Hindi nga po clear.
Okay, ulit ito. 7. Qi. Jiehun. Ba Huan Ying. Which one?
Fan in. No. Left.
Huan Ying.
Left.
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 Very good. Okay, next.
Right, Siho.
Right.
Ho is?
Right.
Very good. Next.
Yeah.
Left. Left.
Ni er. Left. Yes. very
Near.
good.
Left.
Yes, ni er.
Xiao
Right.
Jie. Right.
Right.
Yi.
Right.
Xiao Jie is? Right. Okay, next.
麻烦
Left. Left.
Ma Fan is yes. Okay. Yung sa taas ko pala, hindi ko pala nilagyan ng Chinese word. Okay, okay. 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 电话. 2 is 学校. Number 3 is 父母. Alam, number 1, di ba? 电话 is telephone. Number 2, 学校 is school. Number 3, 父母 is parents.
Parent.
Yeah, number 4, ano, 晚上 is
Night. Night.
night. Yes. Number 5, 放假 is
Left.
Day.
day off. Number 6,
Day off.
上午. What is 上午?
Between morning and noon.
Morning. Morning. 上午 is morning. Okay. Number 7,
Morning.
结婚. Ano yung 结婚?
Married.
Yes, married. Number 8, 欢迎.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome. Yes. Number 9, 时候.
When.
You have time.
Ano 时候? It's about time.
When.
It's about time. 时候. Okay. Next. Number 10, 女儿 is
Daughter.
number 11, 小姐.
Miss.
Yes, miss. Number 10, 麻烦.
Trouble.
Trouble. Yes, very good. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Yes, tapos na tayo for the day. Ito, may papanoorin ako sa inyo ha, kasi marami, siguro marami ditong baguhan na hindi alam kung paano ba ipapasok sa utak ang Chinese word. Dito meron ang akong naghanap na maganda siyang panoorin. Tignan natin ha, maganda siya panoorin. Okay. Yan, tingnan nyo ha, paano na ang kamay.
Marisa yung phone mo, please.
Okay, ito. Show is hen. Okay, meron pa. Tingnan nyo tong check nyo sa Google, the story of Chinese character. Marami siya. Tingnan mo nyo to. Andali, nagpalastas siya. Water turns to ice. 2 clouds arise, di ba? Okay? Marami pa dito. Pwede nung tignan. Okay? Kung paano siya naging words. Okay? Mamaya, pwede ko rin ibigay sa inyo ang link.
Ibigay mo yung link, ma'am. Ang ganda niya panoorin.
Maganda, di ba? Oo, maganda siya. Mamaya, ibibigay ko sa inyo yung link.
Claro.
Okay? Gustuhan nyo ba ang ano ngayon?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next week is... wait. Next week is...
Lalo na kaming baguhan, di kilala yung mga karakter.
It's okay. Alam mo, lahat naman
sa karakter.
Oo, lahat naman nag-start sa hindi marunong eh. Tapos dahan-dahan. Next week, papakita ko muna siya. Next week, ang pag-aaralan natin is stroke. Okay? Ayan na. Naka-ano na yung ano nyo. Next week, ayan na. Stroke. Paano sulating ang way? So, paano gawin sa words, vocabulary, weights, way, siyensang yan. Tapos, paano siya gawin na sentence. Next week yan. Okay?
Okay po.
Makikita niyo yan sa word book. Okay? Kung makakapunta kayo sa 31, ha? Please do. Okay? And then, doon sa pala gustong sumali sa, ano ba yun?
Sa caregiving po. Sa caregiving.
Oo, sa caregiving. 5 days yun, ha? Saturday, Sunday, and Saturday.
Wait ko na lang po dito sa South.
Po? Oo nga,
Wait ko
wala
na
pa.
lang po dito
Sorry.
sa South.
Sige, hintayin mo. Wala pa. Kausyong, wala pa. Sana makapunta kayo. Tapos yung gusto mag-fun run, yung kay Mariang for Independence Day, pag gusto nyo, sabihin nyo sa akin, sabay-sabay tayo bumili ng t-shirt. Tapos, 31, sino makakapunta? Punta kita tayo doon, sa Panchaw. Okay? It's okay.
Hindi na po.
Punta, it's okay.
Next month na lang, ma'am.
I'm sure I'm going to use my cell phone. Ilalive ko na lang siya, okay? Iba, walang day off, okay lang.
Naka-live po ba kayo sa 31,
Naka-day
ma'am?
off na kasi, ma'am.
Yes, ilalive ko siya. Pero sa ano siya, ha? Ilalive ko siya, pero sa MLG siya. Sa MLG, ha?
Sige po.
Sa MLG, okay?
Okay po, para makasabay.
Tapos, itong class na to, please, wag nyo ilalagay sa MLG, ha? Kasi, okay? Okay, mag-message doon, ha?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, sa Friday, link tayo mag-message, okay?
Puno sa akin.
Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.
Good evening. Bye.
Kapilan.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, like and share. I-share ko na lang sa FB highlight nyo. Sa YouTube pala, okay?
Ate pala na
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ate, wala akong binili.
Bye-bye.
Nasa yung resibo. Kaya pala yung yung resibo. Hindi ko naman kinuha, 195.
Magkano yung binigay mo? 1,000?
Yes po.
1,000. Ay, hindi ito yun.
Ate, lang mo nilagay yun. Kasi sinulatan mo siya. Ano ba yan?
600 lang yung binigay ko.
Opo. Ayoko pa naman kung ano yung resibo. Okay. Thank you. Ay, dinakalakas ako sa